Well, it's another busy week in the European Parliament. We're meeting in Brussels this week where the full Parliament is sitting to discuss the very serious situation in Egypt as well as other issues which are of importance to us in Wales. But we have two new colleagues this week from Wales, Miriam and Emma, who are studying in Coleg Meirion Dwyfor, and they've come here for work experience, to experience a bit of the life and work of the European Parliament. What have you been doing, Emma?
Well, we've been to different meetings and been sitting in meetings about Egypt and also agriculture and an array of different interesting things, just seeing how the Parliament works and all the different sections and stuff like that.
And have you had any feeling of how Wales fits into the whole European structure?
Oh yes, definitely. It's like a little corner of Wales in the office where you hear Welsh around you, and it's really nice because even though we don't have status as an official language in the European Union, it's nice to see that the Welsh and Wales is given a status within the Parliament. So it's really nice.
So you say there are different things going on all of the time. Have you been able to focus on anything of particular interest? Agriculture, of course, is important, but young people too?
Yeah, well, we sat in a meeting about single parenthood, and it was interesting because the single parenthood and young parents are up in Wales and the UK, so it was interesting to see how Europe is trying to sort out that problem and help people who are in that situation.
Is it different from what you've expected, or is it a surprise?
Yes, we expected it to be a big building, with many things happening, but the extent of it all, I don't think we quite realised. Everything's here under one roof, and it's amazing how many facilities the European Union itself offers to different, because we were in the media section earlier on, and it's amazing how many facilities and everything is offered right in front of you. It's really brilliant.
Well, having seen just a little bit of what we do here in the Parliament, what about the future? Would you think of coming here to work, or would you think of standing for elections to the European Parliament?
I could see myself working here because there's so many different kinds of jobs you could have here and all different sections of the European Parliament. You don't have to be a member like here. We can do different things like media and everything, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely very interesting because when I first came here I knew I wanted to work in Europe or something within Brussels or the European Parliament, but seeing the media section and the translating people here, it's really been amazing because, like Emma said, it's different kinds of work you could do. You don't have to stick to one thing, so it's good.
Well, yeah, that's true. We do different things every day, and it is amazing work. It's amazing working here, and it's been fantastic having you here with us, working with us this week in the office. So thank you very much.
Thank you.